Check this out, folks, out of 37. Out of 37. Got a little 10 on this side. That's why we're bringing it to this folks. You can't see it on that side. All right. Got a 2575 from Las Vegas Chief. 6-cylinder automatic transmission. 250. 250 about 275. 275 online about 3. I got 270. Now they give you all the big parts today. Are you here for a golf tournament? Have a 32 of the 1993 Honda Civic 4-cylinder automatic transmission, nice little car there. 225 about 250. Got 225 about 250. I got 225. What? 250. 524. 1995 old Sierra. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission. 175. 150. 150 about 175. I got 150 about 175. 150. What? What? No, $150. There we go. Yeah, there's room in there now for that too. Yeah. Item number 16, folks. 2002 Chevy Tahoe. Chevy Tahoe. 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Look at the wheels and tires on that thing, boy. Woo, nice and real good. Listen to that thing. All righty. 350 about 375. Get it out of here. 350, 375 about 4. I got 400 about 4 and a quarter. I got 425 about 450. Item number 20, folks, is a 2003 Kia Spectra 4-cylinder automatic transmission. 175 about 2. I got 200 online about 2 and a quarter. I got 225 online. 026. Item 25 is a 1995 Ford Aspire. Got a 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, folks. Check it out. On the 4-cylinder, got a salvage title. 125 about 150. Got 125 about 150. Got 125. What? What? 150 there. What's the number? 481. Item 36, folks. 1995 Lexus SC400. 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Has $81 CP. $81 for the key. 250 about 275. I got 250 about 275. I got 275 online about 349. Check it out, folks. Number 13. 2003 Chevy Silverado. 8-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, folks. Nice looking little Chevy pickup here. All right. $400 about 440. I got 425 about 450. I got 450 about 435, 435, 500 about 555. That 41, 41, 2000 Honda Civic, 4-cylinder automatic transmission. 175, 175 about 2. I got 175 about 200. I got 175. I got 200 online about 201. Item 23 is a 2001 Suzuki Grand Vitara. Got a 6-cylinder automatic transmission on a 4-cylinder contract. 275, how about 3? I got 275, about 300, I got 275, about 3, 300 on mine, about 3 and a quarter. I got 3, how about 345, $300. Item number 19, 1996 Tucson Maxima. 6-cylinder automatic transmission has a 2575 25 state of the speed. Check it out, folks. 250 about 275, I got 250 about 275. I got 250 about 275, 275. 515. 515, come on down, we're in the box. Item 44 is a 2005 Hyundai Elantra. 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Here we go. 175. Item 33. 2005 Copart Sebring. Got a 2575 45 state of the speed. On the forklift, not running. 6-cylinder automatic convertible. 200 about 240. I got 2 about 225. I got 225. Item 28, folks. The 1998 Tucson 200 headset. Got a 2575 45 state of the speed. 4-cylinder automatic transmission. 225 about 250, got 225 about 250, got 225, what? Four, go, 9, 6. Number 26, 2001 Nissan Sentra, 4-cylinder automatic transmission, got $173 TC. 2001 Nissan Sentra, check it out, 4-cylinder automatic. 225 about 250, got 225, 250 on mine, about 275. I got 250 on mine, about 911. Item 27 is a 2000 Honda Accord. Got the music on it? 4-cylinder automatic transmission, $173 TC. Check it out, folks. Check it out. Nice into the car here. 250 about 275, I got 250, 275, about 300, 343 now. 476. Item 47, keep it going, got no help. Item 47 is a 2000 Pontiac Grand Prix at $173 TC. Item 14 is the 1986 Toyota pickup truck 4x4. Check it out, folks. It's a nice little truck. 4-cylinder automatic. Got fuel pump problem. Where they're running the spray. Not running right now, but you have to take my word for it. Take it back. Alright, here we go. 325 about 350, got 325 about 350, 350 there, about 375, 375, 400 about 4, 4, 5, 5. You got people home, I do the first line of the traffic. Got no finger. I was raised in 1991, GMC Sonoma. Got a third line of the traffic. Hey Chris, you have fun driving that. Alright, get it out of here before you kill all the country. Alright, 6-cylinder automatic. 200, I'm like, you love to do it? That car was basic. Check it out, folks. Item number 35, 2009, 14 later. Honda Sonata, 6-cylinder automatic transmission. Check it out, folks. Check it out. Not the end of the car there. 600, about 6.5. I got 650 over there, about 7. I got 650 about 700, 700 about 7.5, 7.5 here, about 8. Yeah. What? Get down. Whose white van is blocking my gate? You better move it or I'm gonna have it inbound. Because the white van, I'll tell it. You better move it. I'll tell it some of it next week. Yeah. Hey, tell her to open the gate, park it inside. That's my buddy right there. I'll tell you, I'm 34, it's 2005, Hyundai Civic, 4-cylinder automatic transmission. Got $196 feature, $196 feature. I got $275, about 3, I got $275, about 300, about 3 and 4. I got 3 online, $325 online, about 350, about 375, $375 online, about